These aren't just tools, they're game changers. Whether you're a seasoned contractor, a precision-loving DIYer, or someone who just wants to work smarter, these are the most innovative, most powerful, and most essential tools you can buy right now. All available on Amazon. Let's dive into the absolute best of the best construction tools of 2025. One. Recon T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape. Measure. The future of measuring. Throw out everything you thought a tape measure could do. The Recon T1 Tomahawk is an absolute game changer. It's the world's first professional-grade digital tape measure, built for precision, speed, and modern workflows. With a built-in laser guide, a crystal-clear e-paper display, Bluetooth connectivity, and internal memory capable of storing thousands of measurements, this tool eliminates human error entirely. You measure once, and your data is instantly synced to your phone or tablet. No scribbling, no double-checking, no mistakes. Whether you're building cabinets, framing walls, or laying out a remodel, the T1 saves hours on the job site and pays for itself in accuracy alone. This isn't an upgrade, it's a revolution. 2. Leica Disto E7100i. Laser precision in your pocket. The Leica Disto E7100i isn't just compact, it's deadly accurate. Measuring distances up to 200 feet with pinpoint laser accuracy down to 1/16 of an inch, this pocket-sized powerhouse replaces bulky tape measures in large open spaces or complex layouts. It's trusted by architects, engineers, and contractors globally because it does one thing perfectly: deliver precise measurements in seconds. And thanks to built-in Bluetooth, every number goes directly to your smartphone, plan app, or CAD software without ever lifting a pen. Whether you're quoting a job, mapping out renovations, or designing structures, this is the tool that makes you look like a pro, because it was built for them. Bosch GLL 3-330 CG laser level. 360-degree job site domination. Say goodbye to the bubble level and even your old laser level. The Bosch GLL 3-330 CG is the undisputed king of construction-grade laser tools, giving you full 360-degree green laser coverage in every direction: horizontal, vertical, and cross-line. This one tool can lay out tile, align studs, mark ceiling grids, and frame entire rooms with surgical precision. The ultra-bright green lasers are up to 4 times more visible than red, even in sunlight, and it's smart enough to self-level instantly. Bluetooth integration lets you control it from your phone, and pros across the trades call it the most powerful laser level ever made. If you want job site domination, this is how it starts. 4. Going Make Adjustable Angle Track Saw Square. Splinter-free perfection. This isn't just an accessory, it's the upgrade your track saw has been waiting for. The Going Make Adjustable Angle Track Saw Square turns any plunge saw setup into a precision-guided cutting station. With its all-metal construction and laser-etched markings, this square locks into your track to deliver perfect, repeatable angles. Whether you're cross-cutting, beveling, or working on complex layouts. No more fumbling with clamps or guessing miters. You simply lock it in, set your angle, and cut with total confidence. Whether you're trimming cabinets, cutting down plywood, or doing finish carpentry, this tool ensures your lines are flawless and your angles are dead on. It's compatible with most major track saw brands, and it turns your saw into a true pro-level system. Serious builders know accuracy isn't optional, and with the Going Make Square, it's automatic. 5. Milwaukee M18 Force. Logic PEX Press Tool. Plumbing, revolutionized. The future of plumbing isn't threaded, sweated, or glued. It's pressed. The Milwaukee M18 Force Logic Press Tool transforms PEX installations into a one-handed, 3-second operation. Built on Milwaukee's powerful M18 battery platform, this beast delivers up to 400 presses per charge with professional-grade precision. Forget torches, fittings, or callbacks. This tool delivers consistent, leak-proof connections every single time. Whether you're roughing in a new build or fixing a retrofit, it's faster, cleaner, and safer. For serious plumbers, this isn't optional, it's essential. 6. Tezlong NTS 300 Pro Bore Scope. See what others can't. There's a whole world hiding inside your walls, engines, and pipes. And the Tezlong NTS 300 Pro lets you explore it. This isn't a toy or smartphone gimmick. It's a pro-grade inspection camera built for real diagnostics. With a dual-lens HD probe, powerful LED illumination, and a rugged 15-meter cable, it lets you see around corners and into tight spaces with crystal clarity. From pinpointing leaks to inspecting engines, HVAC, or electrical behind drywall, it saves time, cuts costs, and eliminates guesswork. When others guess, you'll know. And that's the pro advantage. 7. Bosch GMS 1220-2. Wall scanner. Find it all before you drill. Behind every wall lies a hidden risk: pipes, wires, studs, or even rebar. The Bosch GMS 1220-27 finds them all. More than a stud finder, this advanced wall scanner detects wood, metal, and live electrical wires with pinpoint accuracy. It auto-calibrates instantly and shows depth readings, so you don't just find objects, you understand what's behind the surface. Whether you're hanging heavy fixtures, chasing leaks, or working on renovations, this tool is your first line of defense. Job site tough, contractor trusted, and safety approved. It's what smart pros use before they ever touch a drill. These tools don't just make your work easier, they make it smarter, safer, and more accurate. Every tool you've seen is linked below, all available on Amazon right now. If you want to upgrade your gear and support the channel, check the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Which one of these tools would you add to your toolbox today? This is Site Boost. See you in the next build.